Hey YouTube, this is your girl Sandy B. I'm here today talking about bad credit, how to fix your bad credit. In order to fix your bad credit, the first thing you have to know what is on your credit. You can't fix what you don't know. So first thing we need to know is what is on our credit. How to find out what is on your credit, first thing you need to do is pull your credit. You can do this by going to the credit reporting agency. There are three credit reporting agencies. They are Equifax, TransUnion, and the last one is Experian. Now they will allow you to pull your credit once a year. One free credit report a year. Or either you can break it into 3 reports by getting 1 report for each one of them every 4 months. Now, a lot of times, what's on one credit report will be on the other one. It might be slightly different. So, you can pull the report by getting 1 every 3 months for each one of them, or either you can pull it once every 12 months. The next thing you need to know is what is your FICO score. Now, your credit report will not tell you what your FICO score is. In order to find out what your FICO score is, you will need to go to thecreditscore.com. You need to go to freecreditscore.com. Now, when you go to freecreditscore.com, you will be able to get your FICO score. Now, your FICO score is very important. The FICO score can keep you from getting that dream job you want, especially if it's a federal job. Your FICO score can keep you from getting that dream job. It can keep you from getting that car you want. It can keep you from getting that house that you want. So your FICO score is very, very important. Now, once you pull your credit, you see what's on your credit. The next thing you need to do is find out if everything that's on your credit is right. Let me say that again. You need to find out if everything that's on your credit, if it's right. Because sometimes they get people mixed up. You might have the same first and last name and a different middle name. Your name might be John P. Cross, and the other person might be named John T. Cross. And because of this, they get your report mixed up, and this can affect your score. So you need to look over your credit report real careful and make sure everything that's on there belongs to you, okay? The next thing you need to do is to, once you get your report, you done looked over it, and you find out that something's not yours, like, this is not mine, no, this don't belong to me, that don't belong to me. The next thing you need to do, you need to dispute it. You need to dispute it. Now, you can do this on your own, or you can hire somebody to do it for you. You can hire a credit repair company to do it for you, or you can do it on your own. Either way, you need to dispute it. Now, once you dispute it, the credit reporting agency will not get back to you right away. It's going to take about between 30 and 45 days, but they will get back to you, and if they find out that there was a mistake, they will correct it. Okay, so now we got all that taken care of. Now the next thing you need to do, now you to find out that all these bills is yours, and you got all these bills, all these things on your credit report. Now you need to work on paying down these bills. You need to work on paying down these bills so that you can get your credit back on track, okay? Now I'm going to tell you some ways you can do this, how you can pay down your bill one at a time. Now I'm going to teach you how to pay down your bills one at a time. Okay, get your bills together. Now look at your bills. Now I want you to pay the minimum amount you could pay on all of these bills. But the least bill, the bill that you owe the last on, I want you to pay as much as you can on that bill. Pay as much as you can on that bill, and the other bills pay the minimum payment. Pay the minimum down payment on those and the least and the most you can on the least bill you owe. Okay? Now, once you get that bill paid off, the one that you owe the least on, once you get that bill paid off, I want you to take that extra money and I want you to start working on the other bill that you owe the least amount on. And the other bills, like before, pay the minimum payment. The least amount, pay it the most you can on that bill. Each month, pay the most you can on that bill. And then once you get that paid off, you just keep doing that a little at a time, and you will see those bills beginning to disappear. And guess what? You will see your credit score starting to go up. Now, this is not going to happen overnight, but with persistence and you paying on these bills and you keep paying on them like that, you will be able to get your credit back on track. Yes, you'll be able to get your credit back on track and say yes to that. And you'll be able to get things that you want in life. You'll be able to get that dream house that you've been wanting and you've been dreaming about, that car you've been wanting. You'll be able to go to the bank. You'll be able to get that loan that you want. So I hope this information is some good information and it will help you out. And if you like my channel, hit the button below and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you back here again soon. Have a good day.